Welcome to another episode of SEO Sneak Peek. In the last episode, we discussed about backlinks. Today, let's check out which type of backlink is best for your website. Let's get started. Even though there are different types of backlinks, they fall into three categories: good, mediocre, and worse. So, when choosing your backlink building strategy, make sure to choose good ones and shut doors at any shoddy practice. Thinking why? That's because the other ones can break your website sooner or later. Let's first look at some of the good types of backlinks. Editorial backlinks. Editorial backlinks are high quality and relevant links published on sites that maintain high editorial values. For example, news publishers like New York Times and Washington Post. These could even be websites which are highly acknowledged for their niche expertise like Search Engine Land or HubSpot. Here are some of the qualities of editorial backlinks. They are earned rather than built. Content with lots of added value gets such backlinks. You have no control over the anchor text. Such backlinks are evergreen and can drive referral traffic. The next type of backlink that you must try to build is blogger outreach backlinks. Outreach links are built by sharing unique content and data with other niche relevant websites. The backlink is just a byproduct of the knowledge sharing that's happening here. Here are a few examples of blogger outreach backlinks Stan Ventures received. Qualities of blogger outreach backlinks are: such links point to a resource page. Links from influential websites can drive lots of referral traffic. A brand mention usually accompanies such links. Long-term relationships can help in getting multiple backlinks from the same domain. The third in our list is business profile backlinks. This is an old but still effective type of backlink that can help with your website's ranking, especially if you are a local business. But keep in mind that business profiles must be created only on authentic websites. Qualities of business profile backlinks. Most genuine listing sites offer no-follow backlinks. Your rankings on these sites mainly depend on reviews. Your chances of getting referral traffic are high. Ideal for local businesses. Next in our list is genuine guest posts. Let me stress the word genuine once again. Over the years, guest post backlinks have been highly exploited. It remains one of the most misunderstood link building strategies. However, guest posts still add value when done right. Publishing unique guest posts on sites that share the target audience can further improve your brand visibility. Additionally, it also gives you the benefit of great quality backlinks. Google or any other search engine for that matter cannot find you at fault. That's because you are placing a contextual backlink on an article that's highly relevant to the website and its users. Qualities of genuine guest post. The editor decides the topic for you. Any low-quality article gets outrightly rejected. You must follow the editorial guidelines of the publication. The article gets published under your author bio. Last but not least, natural backlinks. When your blog posts start to rank on search engines, you are most likely going to get a few natural backlinks. Even though there are similarities between editorial links and natural links in the way you get them, the quality varies significantly. You may get backlinks from sites with low authority. Such links make your profile vibrant. Don't disavow these links because Google's algorithms can perfectly understand how they got created. Qualities of natural backlinks. While the authority might be less, the links are usually placed contextual. Generic anchor text. Difficult to trace unless you use SEO tools. No outreach or content required. That's it for today's episode of SEO Sneak Peek. We will discuss the mediocre and extremely dangerous types of backlinks in upcoming episodes. Stay tuned.